Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and fit longer text or text wrapping in Excel. So for any reason guys you have this long text, it can be note or anything, and it will not adjust for cell size. Once you print, so we can see it's cut the some area of your text. So to fit this text, select this cell and right click on it. Then click on Format Cells. Click on Fill. Click on Alignment. Then here click on Wrap Text. Then click on OK. Now here adjust the size for this cell like this and click Anyway.